A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a capalat, you don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Woo! Today, guys, with Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel with Heart and Soul. Yes. Heart and Soul. I'm going to jump in and see what going on, man. Let's go. Yeah. Vybz Kartel, Heart and Soul. But before we do that, do this with me now, please. Alright, guys. Here's my second reaction channel. It's called More JWG Reactions. If you don't mind giving it a follow, I post different content over there. The link is pinned in the comment section of this video that you're currently watching. And just go over there and just watch some of the video, some different type of video I put over there. So you see me? So if you don't mind dropping a follow over there, that would be great. Thanks for the support. And let's get back to the video. Alright, now that's done. Let's go. Whoop. No, I never. You again.
Take your face and your shape so nice. Got you anywhere but your dogs and that quiet. Love how you roll so we fuck couple time and we all a good vibes. Hey girl, you know me feeling you. You girly and you keep it cute. Only by them I pray say we will lose. But me I go break they just receive this juice. Want you like me?
Wait! Shh! Ladies! Forward to the front line. Full time. Again!
Take your face and your shape so nice.
Yeah.
Got you anywhere but your dogs and that quiet.
Yeah.
Love how you roll so we fuck couple time and we all a good vibes. Hey girl, you know me feeling you. You girly and you keep it cute. Only by them I pray say we will lose. But me I go break they just receive this juice. Want you
Holy heap of them I pray say me and you we are gonna lose. We not gonna turn out to nothing. But guess what? Me I go breathe you. Me I go breathe you. So let's open up. Receive this juice. Receive the semen.
only by them I pray say we will lose. But me
I
I go
go
breathe
breathe
they
you
just
so
receive this juice. Want you like me daddy watch your evening news.
Who know that? No. One time at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, I know say the old people them ready for watch them news. You have to, no matter what you watch, you have to come off it. The man say me I go watch you like how my daddy watch the evening news. And that's what a comparison. Further on in the news.
But me I go breathe they just receive this juice. Want you like me daddy watch your evening news. The amount of thing with me and she been through. Me not have to worry about if she'll be true. No girl can't walk in your cheapest shoes now.
No girl can walk in your cheap. Yo, put up that blood clots on you again. Who not ramping? Who not ramping? Who? He teach? Stop ramping, you don't ramp too much. Again.
Take your face and your shape so nice.
Yes.
Got you anywhere but your dogs and that quiet.
Alright.
Love how you roll so we fuck couple time
That's
and we
it.
all a good vibes.
Again.
Hey girl, you know me feeling you. You girly and you keep it cute. Only by them I pray say we will lose. But me I go break they just receive this juice. Want you like me daddy watch your evening news.
What?
The amount of thing with me and she been through. Me not have to worry about
Kartel, one dance I've seen here.
if she'll be true. No girl can't walk in your cheapest shoes.
One
now.
dance. Alright.
And every time I me giggle like a child when me see say you a call me. I know those you punani.
Look.
Be true. No girl can't walk in your cheapest shoes now. And every time I me giggle like a child when me see say you a call me. I know those you punani. Baby me all in. Oh me feel no love you, you're my wife, you're me charging.
Yo, yeah, my wife, yeah, me charging. Mama, me all in. I know that's the fuck alone. Everything, your personality, your charisma, your charm, you're funny, you're sexy, you're cute, you're well educated, you're well educated. Educated!
I know those you punani. Baby me all in. Oh me feel no love you, you're my wife, you're me charging. You give me your mind and your heart and your soul. And me give you the time and your life and your goal. Me know you a hold back, no do it no more. From your believer, you know say you're sure.
Me no say I hold back, mama, not do it no more. Let down your barriers. Let me in. Let me all in. Nobody hold out, man. Me not hurt. I like to exit. No. Me depend on that, mama. Me like you. You like me too, so let's do it.
Me know you a hold back, no do it no more. From your believer, you know say you're sure. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Flow that, make me hold that. Cock up for the whole cock, pose for the Kodak. Pussy so shine like no ear now go grow back.
Pussy. That pussy then a shave. A waxy wax. How waxy pum pum wax. No ear now go grow back. Shine. Shine.
Let it flow.
Yeah.
Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Flow that. Make me hold that. Cock up for the whole cock. Pose for the Kodak. Pussy so shine like no ear now go grow back. Set you on your belly and slam you like the door lock.
Bumbo clot. Set you upon your belly and slam you like the door lock. Metaphors and similes for things. The teacher.
Pussy so shine like no ear now go grow back. Set you on your belly and slam you like the door lock. You have the dance boom boom while some galati dance. Some of them are pro back.
Your pum pum a German whip. Yeah, you have the Benz pum pum, the upper the ass class pum pum. Yes, while some gyal are what and some gyal are what. I can tell you again. Me not gonna tell you. Me don't want to say me insult girl and ladies.
You have the dance boom boom while some galati dance. Some of them are pro back. Anyway me travel on the plane, you have to board that. You call me reach you quicker than DoorDash.
Anywhere me travel upon the private jet, anywhere me up in the world, you have to do that with me. You have to do your foot, mama. You have to do your foot because it's the lifestyle moment like what papi. That's a bigger papi.
My pro bag. Anyway me travel on the plane, you have to board that. You call me reach you quicker than DoorDash. And every time I make you go like a child, when me say you want call me. I know those you punani, baby be all in. Oh me feel no love you, you're my wifey, I'm charging. You give me your mind and your heart and your soul. And me give you the time and your life and your goal. Me know you want hold back, no do it no more. From your believer, you know say you're sure. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow.
What dance?
You know me feeling you. You girly and you keep it cute. Well, if I them a pray say we will lose. But me I go break the dust, receive this juice. Want you like me daddy, watch the evening news. The amount of thing with me and she been through. Me not have to worry about if she'll be true. No girl can't walk in your cheapest shoes now. And every time I me giggle like a child when me say you want call me. I know those you punani, baby be all in. Oh me feel no love you, you're my wifey, I'm in charge. You give me your mind and your heart and your soul. And me give you the time and your life and your goal. Me know you want hold back, no do it no more. From your believer, you know say you're sure. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow,
let it flow, let it flow.
You give me your mind and your heart and your soul. And me give you the time and your life and your goal. Me know you want hold back, no do it no more. From your believer, you know say you're sure. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow.
Yeah.
Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow.
Yo. And I one girl G sing to you now, two girl G sing to right there. And you see what go on, right? Guppy over there, guppy over there. Oh, sick lad, now I never big up on myself. Hi! Hi! Kartel are the only artist where drop a random song upon a random day in a week. Today what? Thursday. Boom. Normally I'm gonna drop a song upon a Friday. No, I'm gonna drop it anyone him feel like to drop a song. Cause he can, cause that's teacher, that's Kartel. Ladies, something for you again. The man now ease up off on a case, brother. The man now ease up off on a case. Ladies! Teacher is back in full effect. I give them a left. What to say about that one here? Remember, me I beg on yourself to subscribe to my second YouTube channel, like I'm saying at the intro, all right? But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section. The link to the YouTube channel go pinned in the comment section as well, all right? Catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.